गाता रहे मेरा दिल, हो खोया खोया क्या हम बेखुदी में तुमको पुकारे, पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले। अरे यार मेरी तुम भी हो गजब, घूम घट तो जरा ओढ़ो, अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं अभी।
The man whose ultimate flamboyance and irresistible charm, whose romantic image and infectious zeal for life in cinema will outlive that of his contemporaries.
अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी तो।
The guide who gave Indian cinema the eternal romantic hero, Devanand.
तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, जो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग हैं।
Even though his contemporaries like Raj Kapoor and Dilip Kumar stopped playing the leading men in movies, Devanand did not lose his innate romantic spirit and continued to woo his young heroines with his trademark puff of hair, his sloping walk and smile.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है।
But the Devanand story does not begin from these younger BV of actresses. It begins in the year 1951 with this film.
तकदीर से बिगड़ी हुई तकदीर बना ले, तकदीर बना ले, अपने पे भरोसा है तो ये दाव लगा ले, लगा ले, दाव लगा ले।
Although Dev had come into the industry 5 years earlier, it wasn't till he romanced Geeta Bali and Kalpana Karthik that Dev finally managed to attract the Indian cinegoer.
डरता है ज़माने की निगाहों से भला क्यों, निगाहों से भला क्यों।
The film, directed by Dev's close friend Guru Dutt, launched him as a romantic star opposite two leading ladies. Although this was a crime thriller, it was the music of S.T. Burman and shadow lighting that this film is most remembered for. Another 5 years and several more hits later, Dev came in another Guru Dutt film, this time opposite Shakila, along with Johnny Walker and Guru Dutt's muse Wahida Rehman.
लेके पहला पहला प्यार भर के आंखों में खुमार, जादू नगरी से आया है कोई जादूगर।
The film marked Wahida's screen debut in Bollywood, although she appeared in a negative role. O.P. Nair's catchy music and Raj Khosla's direction meant that the film would be a big blockbuster.
आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों में।
The same year, directed by Subodh Mukherjee, Dev came back yet again as a romantic star in this film.
छोड़ दो आंचल, ज़माना क्या कहेगा,
romancing a very young Nutan. It was the second win for the team of Mukherjee, Hussain, Devanand and S.T. Burman, who had combined 2 years earlier to make the successful Munimji.
इन अदाओं का ज़माना भी है दीवाना, दीवाना क्या कहेगा।
छोड़ दो आंचल, ज़माना क्या कहेगा।
As Dev's star rose steadily as the biggest romantic hero in Indian cinema, his movies fast began to reach cult status.
ऐसा स्टाइलिस्ट हीरो तो कोई आया ही नहीं, और उस दौर में मैं स्कूल से लेकर कॉलेज तक पिक्चर देखता रहा, और जो कपड़े पहने उन्होंने, हमने पहने, दूसरों ने पहने, वैसी चाल चलनी उन्होंने, मेरा ख्याल है स्टाइलिस्ट रोमांस करना सिखाया है।
जिंदगी में हारी चलो देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल.
In 1958, directed by Raj Khosla, Dev starred in Kala Pani. This time, yet again he was romancing not one but two heroines, Nalini Jayawant and Madhubala.
हम बेखुदी में तुमको पुकारे चल गए हम.
Although Dev fell head over heels in love with his co-star Suraiya right at the beginning of his film career, but Suraiya's maternal grandmother always opposed the relationship, as they were Muslim and Dev a Hindu.
सागर में जिंदगी को उतारे चले गए हम. I knew the grandmother never told me she never liked me, but she disliked me. I knew, because there was a lovely kissing scene in Afsar in which I had to kiss her eyes, and she was kicking a rumpus. She wouldn't let it happen.
A man like him, climbing to the terrace of the building, Suraiya's building, used to hide behind those, the big pipes, and these two people used to meet there until the grandmother, she put her foot down, and there was a fear that there could be a communal, hassle on that, because she was a Muslim and he was a Hindu, and that time, soon after the partition, this was happening, and there was a kind of a charged atmosphere around.
Dev met Kalpana on the sets of Taxi Driver and married her eventually. Meanwhile, Suraiya remained unmarried all her life. But the heartbreak only made Dev's work grow deeper and more soulful.
बेखुदी में तुमको पुकारे चले गए हम. In such a love affair, which is a calf love, and I fell in love, and so much that I wanted to marry her, and I could not marry her, and I cried on my brother's shoulder, and then I forgot the chapter to proceed further to where I am now.
In 1959, Dev struck gold at the box office again with Kala Bazaar.
खोया खोया चाँद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी.
Wahida and Nada were the ladies of this film. One of Dev's biggest success was the creation of his own production house, Navketan Films. Dev kept it going even when the going wasn't easy.
मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, खिल खिल गई ये दिल की कली, मन की गली में है खलबली कि उनको तो बुलाओ. ओ हो खोया खोया चाँद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी. ओ खोया खोया चाँद.
In 1961, Dev came to audiences in a double role in this film.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया.
Starring with not one or two but three heroines, Sadhna, Nanda and Leela Chitnis.
को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा.
A film which will be a massive blockbuster, but it is today known most for Jaydev's melodies.
बर्बादियों का सोग मनाना फजूल था.
A year later, Dev teamed up with Hrishikesh Mukherjee again to give us this film. starring opposite Sadhna and Leela Chitnis with music by Shankar Jaikishan.
तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर, फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर मेरे।
Dev was by now one of the biggest and the most quintessential romantic stars of Hindi film industry. But the movie, which would catapult him to immortal status, was yet to come. The magnum opus, the Dev Anand masterpiece.
हो तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन हो तुम बतलाओ, तो देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ।
The year 1965 saw Dev at the top of his game. Backed by outstanding music by S.C. Burman, Dev began the year with Teen Devya, a film which saw Dev falling in love with 3 women, Nanda, Kalpana and a very young Simi Garewal.
अरे यार मेरी तुम भी हो गजब, घूंघट तो जरा ओढ़ो, आह मानो कहा अब तुम हो जवां, मेरी जान लड़कपन छोड़ो।
जब मेरी चुनरिया मलमल की, फिर क्यों न फिरूं झलकी झलकी।
The film was a roaring success, but the biggest entertainer of that year was yet to come.
आह मानो कहा अब तुम हो जवां, मेरी जान लड़कपन छोड़ो, गाता रहे मेरा।
Ride was one of Dev's most ambitious projects. Based on R.K. Narayan's novel and shot simultaneously in English and Hindi, the film put Dev opposite his longtime co-star Wahida Rahman.
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
गाता रहे मेरा दिल, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन।
With this film, a frail S.T. Burman made a thumping affirmation of his enduring talent. While Lata and Rafi gave some of their most iconic musical numbers.
तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, जो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग हैं। हो तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग हैं।
The film was a first in many respects. It showed a married woman fall in love with another man and leave her oppressive husband to pursue her dreams. A path-breaking love story, the film immortalized Dev as the guide of Bollywood and Wahida as the free-spirited Rosie.
I think the making of the guide, you cannot compare it to any other making, nor will it ever happen.
Though the film wasn't a grand success as it was released, it steadily grew in its popularity and fast achieved a cult status as one of the 50 must-watch films in the world.
प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे।
प्यार करने वाले अरे प्यार ही करेंगे, जलने वाले चाहे जल जल मरेंगे।
मिलके जो धरती है तो दिल हरदम ये कहेंगे, कहीं बीते ना
ओ कहीं बीते ना ये रातें, कहीं बीते ना ये दिन, गाता रहे मेरा दिल।
With the onset of 70s, Indian cinema saw a bevy of new actresses entering the fray. While his actresses got younger, they've still romanced each one of them. He never gave up the central character of being the romantic hero.
दम मारो दम, मिट जाए हम, बोलो सुबह शाम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम।
Directed by Dev's younger brother Vijay Anand, this film starred a fresh-faced Hema Malini against him.
झूठा ही सही पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले, झूठा ही सही 2 दिन के लिए कोई इकरार कर ले, 2 दिन के लिए कोई इकरार कर ले, झूठा ही सही पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले, झूठा ही सही।
And although she was many years his junior, one didn't feel at odds even for a moment as Dev happily romanced her.
First day with him was that the most handsome man I'm seeing, and I'm going to work with this man, and that a huge big role of mine, you know, it was a very interesting role I was playing, and that was very exciting to me, and more than me, my mother was very excited because it was her hero, you know, my mother. And we were also happy to work with him, and then we come to know that he's such a gentleman, so nice to talk to. He never had any big air about himself.
हमने बहुत तुझको छुप छुप के देखा, हमने बहुत तुझको छुप छुप के देखा, दिल पे खींची है तेरे काजल की रेखा, काजल की रेखा बनी लक्ष्मण की रेखा हो, काजल की रेखा बनी लक्ष्मण की रेखा, राम में क्यों तूने रावण को देखा, राम में क्यों तूने रावण को देखा, खड़े खिड़की पे, खड़े खिड़की।
This is the Dev Anand legacy, to be able to transcend the barriers of time and stay forever as the man who taught Bollywood how to love.
झूठा ही सही